In this lesson, we'll create a swarf toolpath with surface selection. After completing this lesson, you'll be able to create a multi-axis swarf toolpath and use the surface selection mode to control a swarf toolpath. In Fusion 360, we're going to carry on with our forming die, and we want to create a new multi-axis swarf operation. We're going to carry on using our 3/8 flat, and instead of the drive mode being contours, we want to take a look at surfaces. For our selection mode, we can use faces, contour pairs, or the manual option. And as always, it's a good idea for us to hover over the selections to get a tooltip to see exactly what the selection process is. If the drive mode is surfaces and the selection is manual, we can use individual surfaces. If the drive mode is set to surfaces and we select faces, we'll have to select continuous faces. So in this case, we only have a single selection because it was an original revolved part. But notice that it automatically grabs the upper and lower contours and it makes them blue and yellow. From here, we also have other options, just like we did with our contours. But let's select OK and see what operation is created. Once again, let's simulate it and play through to see what happens. So we can see that the multi-axis swarf, whether it's defined with contour pairs or surfaces, is going to give us a very similar result. The reason that we might select one over the other is based solely on geometry. In some cases, it might be easier to select a face using the surfaces. In other cases, it might be better for us to just grab contour pairs. For this example, let's go ahead and make sure that we save this, and then we can move on to the next step.